Hey guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and I'm so excited today to bring to you a solution for your laundry needs. You see, we use so many chemicals when we're washing our clothes, and with the WashWow device, which I'm going to be showing you shortly, it actually removes the need for detergents. You see, this little device here, you can actually put into your laundry, and what it does is it washes your clothes for you. It removes all the stains, removes all the smells out of your clothes, so you can have laundry that smells really, really nice, and not have to worry about using all the chemicals. And the great thing is this little beauty can be used 1,000 times. And with a battery in place, it can be used over and over and over again. And it's got USB-C charging. So I'm so excited to be bringing this today. Now the great thing is if you go camping or you're out and about or you travel a lot, you can put this into your bag and actually wash as you go. It's so exciting. You can also use it to disinfect your foods. So if you've got fruit and vegetables, for example, put the WashWow in there and you can start disinfecting it straight away. It's great. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to show you how the WashWow works. We're actually going to go and test it out. So we're going to go and use it to start with in some laundry. We're going to go and dirty a white shirt. We're going to put it in there and see what it comes out with to see if it looks a lot nicer. Then we're going to go and soak it in some clothes so you can see how the clothes come up. We're going to go test it on some fruit and vegetables to see does it really disinfect it very, very well. And then finally we're going to go and use it portable as well. Put it into a case so you can see what it's like using it out and about. But you guys are going to love this. The guys have created a fantastic technology to be able to go and reduce the amount of chemicals we use, in our clothes is quite extraordinary. To be able to do it something so portable and so easy to use is absolutely fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to go and duck in now, have a look at the WashWow. We're going to go and test it out so we can show you guys what we think. And remember, there's discounts below if you wish to purchase and links. Anything you do to support our channel by buying through us does support us and it's really, really appreciated. Anyway, let's jump in, look at the WashWow now at MrYouWho. Let's quickly take a look at what comes in a WashWow box. So there it is there, a nice little box. I love the color orange. So open up and take a look. So there's the WashWow which we showed you guys earlier. Now again, we open it up. Now to turn it on, you can see they've got the turn on button there at the bottom. So you press that on and the lights come on. Now this will activate when it's in the water. You've got the USB-C charger there as well. And you can see the lights coming on there as well to show that it's charged. If you go in the box as well, we've also got the instruction guide just there. And we've also got the USB-C charger there as well. Now how the WashWow works is it works by electrolysis. So it has negative and positive electrodes, which gives it a voltage, which that means it separates the water electrolysis from hydrogen, producing both oxygen and hydrofluoric acid. Now what this does, it actually breaks down organic dirt from your clothes and dissolves it in water. It also cleans and purifies as well. So it's a great little technology that it uses there. It also can get rid of 99.99% of bacteria and germs. Now while we can't test that here as well, so now we're going to go have a look to see how the WashWow will go with soy sauce on a white shirt. So here's the white shirt just here. And we grab the soy sauce and we just put a little bit on here. Like so. And there's the soy sauce, as you can see. So we pop this into the water, get the WashWow, and then turn it on, and then let it work its magic. So I'll come back and see what that's like in about 20 minutes. Okay, now we're finished with the WashWow. Now let's have a look. Now look at that, the stains have come out. That is absolutely fantastic. See, quality. There's no stains in there. Well done. And you can see there in the water, see how the water's gone slightly black? It means it's all come out of the clothes into the water. So, fantastic job. So another thing I really love about the WashWow is the portability of it. Now see, say you're going for a hiking trip, you're going camping for a few days, it's so hard to be able to go and do washing and wash your clothes and also wash your fruit and vegetables. The WashWow you can take with you, don't have to worry about any detergents or chemicals, and it can do it all for you. So grab the WashWow, grab your, in this case we're going to use this for washing. Put the washing in there, put the water in there, pop it in there, and let the WashWow do the magic. So I'm going to go and do this now with some towels, a towel I used. I'm going to leave it in there and see how it comes up. So as you can see, here's the bucket of water that I put in, about half full. Now here's the towel. So we'll pop the towel in here, like this. As you can see, it goes in there. Get the WashWow and turn it on by pressing the button. Light comes on, and then pop in the water. It'll start working straight away. And I don't know whether you can see, go that way. If you can see see there, you've got the mist starting to form. Electrolysis working in the water. So we'll leave that for 20 minutes and come back when it's switched off. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and that's all finished. So let's go and have a look. Now I'm going to go and drain this out and come back to you guys and let you know how it smells and what it's like. So there you go, I've just dried the towel out. So now I want to test what it's like. So yeah, it smells fresh. The actual WashWow ball has actually cleaned the towel. The towel was slightly musty before, was dirty, and as you can see, there's no marks on there as well. It looks really nice, and it's come up smelling quite nice as well. So yes, done a great job. So now we're going to go and do some washing using the WashWow. So you just go and put the washing into the washing machine. Make sure you don't put any detergent in there at all. Turn on the WashWow by pressing the bottom button. Put it in there, close the door, and turn on the washing cycle. So we're going to let this run for about an hour and go and have a look at how successful it was running. Okay guys, the washing's finished now. So let's go and have a look at how the clothes turned out. So let's go and take a look. So here's the WashWow. As you can see, it's off, so it's finished actually working. Let's go and have a look at the clothes. So here's the sheet. As you can see, look at that. Look at that. There's no marks on it. Smells fresh. Doesn't have the detergent feel as well, but it came out really, really nice. And there's the other ones there. So yeah, great job. Really well done. I'm pretty. Okay, so a great thing that WashWow can do is actually disinfect food. So what I'm going to do is going to put some fruit and vegetables here into the sink and see how the WashWow can actually disinfect them. So let's pop them all in here like this, like that. And then, so we've got our veggies in there, and then here's the WashWow. Okay, we turn it on by pressing down the button, and it will activate as soon as it hits the water. So I don't know if you can see there as well. So as the WashWow is working, see it's actually creating, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of like kind of, it looks like a steam or mist kind of liquid come out. So that's the electrolysis working in the water to disinfect it. So as you can see, it's working away well. So let's leave it again for a few minutes and see how it goes. So this has been in the water now for about 5 minutes. As you can see with the slight mist there in the water, what that's doing is that's the disinfecting of the vegetables. So I'll be very, very confident now that I can actually start to use these to cook my dinner. So very exciting. Wow guys, so there you go. Well, what did you think? Well, as you can see, it did make a big difference when we were washing the clothes. By being using the WashWow, we could actually get a lot of stains out of the clothes, and they were smelling a lot more fresh. We couldn't actually test though how disinfected it was because we don't have the ability to test that here, but you can see it made a big difference to the clothes we were doing. You can also see that it worked very well with the fruit and vegetables. Again, I can't actually test how well it was disinfected, but I could see they came up a lot fresher from being in the water, and I was confident that I could start using them to cook straight away. So you can see the test of WashWow does work very, very well, and it's such an affordable little device to be using, so I really do recommend it. So again, if you wish to purchase, there's links below. Again, there's discounts in the description below if you wish to use it as well. But it's a great little device, and I'm going to start using it ongoing to come. So anyway, make sure you let me know what you think about the WashWow, and remember, you can use this traveling as well. Pop this into your bag, take it with you. You go to a hotel or something, pop it in the sink, put your clothes in it. It turns on, see the button there? When it hits the water, it turns on straight away and starts working. So it's very, very good. So anyway, make sure you let me know what you think of the WashWow, whether you're tested it out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, and thanks for watching us here at MrYouWho.